Hello everyone, in this video you are gonna learn how to make viral 2D animations like Beta Films. First we are gonna go to their channel, then we will take a screenshot of one of the videos. Also take a close-up screenshot. Now open Blender, go to Add, Image, then select Reference. Add the image, then reduce opacity. Now switch to Draw mode, then trace the image. By left-clicking to draw, then press E to extrude. Switch to Sculpt mode to add details. Create another layer for the body, then draw the torso. Create another layer for the arm. Create another layer for the forearm. Also, create a layer for the hand. Add a layer for the thighs and the legs. I also create a layer for the shoes. Now drag on the top corner, then change editor to image editor, then open an image reference from your folders. Using the reference, create color palette using the color picker. Use the pen tool to apply the color materials on the drawing. After drawing the hair, go to Fill, then change style to Gradient, then change the values of the angle, scale, and location of the X and Y values. Press Shift H to hide other layers. Select the leg, then press Shift D to duplicate, then press G to grab to the left side. Also duplicate the arm, then grab it to the left side. Move them to their own layers by selecting them, then pressing M. To add control bones, go to Armature, Rigify, Basic, then select Basic Human. Select the rig, then in Edit mode, move it to align with the character. Rotate the arm in pose mode, but make sure you check the X-axis first. Press Ctrl A, then select Apply Pose as Rest Pose. Rotate the rig on Z-axis by pressing R, then Z. In Object mode, go to Rigify, then click on Generate Rig. If the rig doesn't appear on the correct position, delete, then press Ctrl A, then select Apply All Transforms. Now go and regenerate the rig. Select the character, then select the rig, then press Ctrl P, then select Armature, Deform with Empty Groups. Switch to Weight Paint mode. Select the name of the head bone. Go to the head layer, then select the name of the head layer. Then apply the weights. Go to the body layer, then do the same, selecting the corresponding bone, then applying the weights. Do the same for the legs and the shoes. Also apply weights on the arm and the forearms. Switch to pose mode to test the rig. In order to add a video reference, go to Add, Image, then select Mesh Plane. This will take you to your folders where you will select your video reference. Set shader as emission, then import. Rotoscope the run cycle of the video reference. So I have created a run cycle of 17 frames, but in order to make the animation loop, switch the editor to Graph Editor. Press A to select all the controllers in pose mode, then select all the keyframes in the timeline. Press Shift E, select Make Cyclic. Now your animation can loop up to the end of timeline.
In order to add a background, we add another grease pencil object by going to Add Then Grease Pencil. Delete the default stroke in Edit mode. Then draw the ground in Draw mode. Add another layer for the background. Change stroke depth to 3D location. This allows you to move the strokes in 3D space. Now, in order to create the illusion that the character is moving forward, we will have to also animate the ground. To do this, switch to Edit mode. Go to the 12th frame. Then move the ground slightly to the left side.
Now, move the header to the center of the keyframes, then go to Grease Pencil, then select Interpolate Sequence.
Now we got our ground animation, but it stops at the 12th frame. In order to make the ground animation loop, go to Add Modifier, Edit, then Time Offset. Set Custom Range to 12. Then Influence, select the layer. Now the ground is looping. I added a sky image texture by going to Add Image, then Mesh. Set shader to emission, then import.
Now our animation is done.